All right, guys, we're going to get started. We are live to millions on YouTube. Millions. Woo! All right, welcome everyone to batch 312 Demo Day. My name is Thank you. Cheers, Hugo. Thank you. I have the great honor and privilege of being the driver for Le Wagon in Lisbon. Monica, where is she? Driver? Anyway, okay, inside joke. Yeah, it's not good. So tonight, it's a great pleasure to have you guys here to celebrate the start of a new journey for the 29 students that are graduating today. Can we get a round of applause? Yeah. These students are coming from across Lisbon, across Portugal, across the world, to learn how to code with us in Lisbon for the last 9 weeks. And frankly, Lisbon, I think, is the best place to do this because it's the most amazing city in the world. Anyone? Yeah? Yeah? É muito bom. Lisboa, boa. Yeah? I don't know. I haven't lived here for 6 years. I just want to, for the students, you guys have come a long way since you did your interviews with Emily, right? And many of you didn't even know how to code at that point, didn't know anything about the terminal. I think most of you didn't know how to run a line of command on the computer. Well, yeah, that's where you would run a line of command, right? And I just want you to take a moment to see how far you've come. Tonight you're going to demo the apps that you've built in the last 10 days of the program, and it's incredibly impressive. And I want to say this because we should frankly all do this in life, see how far we've come, right? But for the students that are graduating here today, to think about where you were 2 weeks ago, where you were a month ago, and where you were 9 weeks ago. And that's important because I know that everyone here, maybe everyone, at least the 29 students, are feeling anxious, right, about the future, where they're going, and feeling like, still a little bit of imposter syndrome or a lot of imposter syndrome. And just to remember how far you can come in 9 weeks, because you have that in you to do that on your own, and it's important to remember. I'm also giving myself a pep talk right now. So, but no, it's important, and congratulations on how much you've achieved, really, especially these last 10 days. I'm excited to see your products. So another round of applause. And that leaves me to say, for those of you that aren't developers, it is incredibly impressive, even for an experienced tech team, to deliver a product in 10 days. When I say deliver a product, that's thinking of an idea, that's designing the idea, engineering the idea, coding it, and then deploying it online, meaning like we can actually access it on the internet, and then seeding it data, or giving it seeds, or making it so that it looks real. And doing that in 10 days is impressive, and these guys did an excellent job, and I want another round of applause. And so for the last 9 weeks, what's been going on here is we've been learning the core modules of building web applications, meaning the back-end intelligence of the website and the database of the web application, moving to the front end, so the visual side, and then to actually creating the products that you're going to see here tonight. Again, did I say they were built in just the last 10 days? These products were not built over the last 9 weeks, just the last 10 days, because this is something that was not clear before, because they're so stinking good. Especially, well, I always say this, but I'm always just super impressed. It gets better and better, especially in this group. So it is impressive, and again, I think, for those of us that don't have a background in tech, little things, the click on how something moves on a web page, or just the nav bar sticking to the bottom of the screen, like these are big deals, right? Or the top, the footer. I don't know what the components are, but you get it. These are big deals. I'm not a teacher, by the way. Carlos, what's the component? Yeah. Anyway, it's a big deal, and so if there are any recruiters in the room, raise your hand, because really, okay. Okay, so yes, everyone talk to Ugo, one of our teachers. They're also hiring. Yeah. And what's next? So a little bit of shameless promotion. I think everyone here will bear with us, right? So what is Le Wagon? For those of you that don't know Le Wagon yet, we're a coding school. We've been running our coding bootcamp for the last 6 years with the ultimate goal of bringing technical skills to as many people as possible. So especially to those that are non-technical, like myself. I do know where the nav bar is, by the way. In the footer. And we see our students go on to either find jobs as developers, data scientists, work as freelancers, launch their own startups. We have a few of them in the room. It's exciting. And or find tech-related jobs as product managers, project managers, IT consulting. And this batch is definitely having a big career change, and it's also exciting. Hashtag change your life. And so for the last 6 years, we've been running our flagship course, which is in web development, which is what we're going to see here tonight. And we already announced this in the last demo day, but we are launching Data Science Bootcamp next year, which is really exciting. I'm excited. Thank you, Ugo. Yeah. Data science is really cool, by the way. I'm learning about it. You want to be interested in this, even if you're not going to do a boot camp. So you've learned about our training programs, our formats. We have been running our full-time boot camp, which is what you guys are going to see. Our full-time boot camp is 9 weeks, 5 days a week, from 9 to 6:30. These guys seem to go until 11:30. Their products will show you how much work they put in here. But from 9 to 6:30. And now we have our part-time boot camp, which some of our part-timers are already in the room. Yeah? Woo-woo! They're very shy. I think they're a little bit fried. They're working full-time, and they're learning to code in the spare time. So now our full-time curriculum is available in a format that those that can't take 9 weeks off can take 6 months of Saturdays to learn how to code, and Tuesdays and Thursday nights. And frankly, from what I've heard, these guys are doing a fantastic job. Our next part-time bootcamp will launch in April. And Le Wagon, a few numbers. Bear with me, guys. Just a little bit of shameless promotion. We have been ranked the #1 coding bootcamp on the major review sites for the last 4 years. That's a big deal, no? And to date, we've had, I think it's more than this, but we've had 6,100 students go through our program, now 6,129, and we're in 39 cities around the world. And we're a very product-focused boot camp, which is what you guys are going to see here demonstrated tonight. And I'm sure it's more than this, but over 1,400 products have been built through our boot camp. And out of those products, we have 290 startups that have launched globally, raising 70 million to date, or in total together, which is really cool. Woo! And just a side story, that's how I found out about Le Wagon, was through a founder that came to Lisbon with an acceleration program, and they're like 5 million of that 70 million. So yeah, it's fun. Okay, and change your life, learn to code. No, so I'm going to stop talking, and we're going to welcome the first team to the stage. But first, we have a special video for you. So give it up for Sunsetter. You're going to be meeting Nick and Justin. Very popular.
I'm Justin Savage, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois, USA.
My name's Nick Galuzzo. I'm from Orlando, Florida.
Lisbon's great. This place is beautiful. Something amazing around every corner. It's like a postcard everywhere you look.
People are really nice. Tons of Portuguese people. Yeah, I don't know. It's a cool place.
Le Wagon in one word. Challenging.
Le Wagon in one word. Cool.
Every day is interesting, but when we sit down, when we have our instructions and they're all laid out, and we get going, it's like exciting. It's a rush. Platform, the learning platform that they've built, the resources are there for us far beyond leaving these walls. So it's very structured, very at your own pace. So it's something I can check into, build my skills, refer back to. Name of our app is Sun Setter.
Oh, it's me now. Sorry, Sunsetter.
Hello, welcome everybody. I'm Justin Savage. I want to tell you a story about my friend named Nick. He recently moved to Lisbon, city of 7 hills. Maybe you know about it. Great miradoros all over town, beautiful views of the sunset. Well, Nick also met someone special when he got here. And he had to, And he had to plan a special evening event. Well, Nick, he's a bad planner. He's having trouble Googling, best date spots, and he's coming up with nothing. And he's got one shot to make this moment count, make it, make a lasting impression on this special person. And as we all know, sunsets once in a day, and Nick found a better way to make the most of that moment. Welcome to Sunsetter. It's a fun, playful interface that you don't even realize the hard work of planning. It's so dazzling. Nick's able to see golden hour, when the sunset will begin and end. Golden hour, that perfect time to take those photos you want to post to maybe a Sunsetter app later. Find the best weather to enjoy the best day. So Nick's really eager for this date, obvious reasons. And so they're looking to today to plan the sunset. Nick's able to see places nearby him, clicking on different Sunsetter pins to see a little more detail, average aggregate score of feedback from other Sunsetter users. Nick's heard a few things about Hotel Mundial, so he checks that out. This place profile page has got a little info, rooftop bar, a little pricey for a developer's salary though, so we're gonna pass on that. And what looks good? Maybe Alameda. Here Nick's able to see user uploaded photos from others who have enjoyed this spot. Learn a little bit more. Joao says he has an excellent time here. Great reviews. So Nick's feeling pretty sold on this place. He's got a date and a place, commits to that, and has a chance for when he shares this event to provide a little context, a name, a description of the event. So best Lisbon sunset. Sounds good. Sounds like what Nick would say. Event description, let's do dinner afterwards. Sounds good. Oh, hey. All right, then Nick's taken to his sunset plans where he can see today's sunset, which he just planned. He can take a look at upcoming sunsets that he's also planned before, and past sunsets, unless he wants to share that out. And speaking of sharing, taking a look at today's sunset we just planned, he's got to get the word out. Nick can share that plan via SMS with his special someone, and not even requiring a sign up from someone. Sunsets are for everyone. We wanted to make it easy. And as you're about to see, sharing a sunset out is just that easy. Oh! Pretty good. Nick's invited us to watch the sunset at Alameda on Friday, 6 December. All right, let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, give me a sunset plan. All right. I'll accept this invitation, put in my name. What's your name? Leo, sounds good. And putting in that RSVP lets Nick know that, oh yeah. Leo's in. Leo's in for sure. Let's give this another shot, Leo. That's right. Yeah, that's right. And the notification comes back to Nick that Leo's confirmed for the sunset plan. So, yeah, to make the most of the moment, we'll invite you all to the next sunset, and yeah, you'll be able to make the most of it with Sunsetter. Thanks, everyone.
All right, don't go so far. We have certificates. Nick, Justin. Who's the next team? And can we get the next team? We're not as organized as we usually are. Oh, congratulations, guys. Yes, congratulations, Sunsetter. Give it up for Sunsetter, everyone. It's official. They have certificates. Okay.
Oh, Kevin.
But we're going to do the video. Why?
Just so Kevin coming. Kevin will.
My name is Fernando, and I'm from Lisbon, Portugal.
My name is Kevin Richardson. I'm from Washington, D.C.
My name is Alexandre. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil.
Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm from Israel.
What not to love about Portugal? I mean, I think it's the weather, the culture, the history, and the new rising tech here industry is just taken off.
So I decided to sign up for the bootcamp because I used to work in tech before, and I wanted to get back into this world, and I kind of tried to learn to code a bit by myself, and I realized that I actually really like it. So I said, why not? Let's just go 100%.
The wagon in one word. I would definitely say the collaboration, the collaboratory effort.
Le Wagon, I think the most important, learn to learn.
So Le Wagon for me, I would go with a really cliche, but I think it has a really big sense of family.
Biggest surprise is the interview part. I really wasn't expecting this. I was just expecting to learn, get out of here, and worry about something.
Our project name is
Coffee Sir.
Okay, they said this was a drawing class. Doesn't look like one. Lied again. Oh, hey, Lisbon. Didn't know you were looking in my window. It's me, your favorite Cafe Americano, Keverino Ricardo. That's Portuguese for, I don't know what that is. But I'm more than just a connoisseur of fine coffee. I like to experience coffee. I'm what you might call a coffee-sour. And now that you're all in my house, where do you go for the best coffee experience? At the finest cafes in Lisbon, Portugal. Well, you go to the Coffee Sewer app for sure. Let's take a look in Barrio Alto. You know, there might be an experience right across the street from our location. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. With every Coffee Sewer experience, you're sure to find detailed information for the finest connoisseurs of coffee. This one looks new. I think I'll save it to my favorites. Lots of love. But you know, Sharon, I really have always wanted to know how they make that bean juice. I don't know, maybe I could do a meetup, a roast up, a toaster, or maybe a workshop. Oh yeah, let's try that workshop out. Ooh, I think I'm about ready to unleash my inner barista. Looks like there's a lot more love from other coffee sewers. Plenty of comments, plenty of great reviews. You know what? Let's book it. Let's check the availability. Hey, no time like today, don't you say? That's the 6th of December. Oh, hey, we're on my profile page. Caverino. I've been in Portugal for 9 months now. I think it's time to try to change up my profile picture. Woo! They usually are from the bottom up. Oh, back to... But you know, I forgot to leave a review at one of my previous Coffee Sir experiences. And from what I can remember, the coffee wasn't up to my Michelin standard. I'll give them 2 stars. But I do remember that the food was fantastic. So you know what I think we'll do? We'll leave them a big compliment. Muito obrigado, Mr. Roboto. But you guys know the greatest part about Coffee Sir. It's the rewards. No more carrying around those obnoxious reward coffee stamps in your wallet. You can check out how many stamps you get. Look at these great stamps. And after 5 stamps, you know what that means, right? I don't see Nick around here. Oh, hey, look, it's Le Wagon Café. Let's go get some.
Let's invite Coffee Sir to, that was a first, really. Let's invite Coffee Sir to the stage. Can you give it up for Fernando, Sharon? Oh. Fernando, Alexandra, Sharon, and Kevin. Kevin. And Cocoon. Cocoon.
My name is Oliver. I'm from Austria.
My name is Isolda, and I'm from Spain.
My name's Shane, I'm from the UK.
I started working in tech, and I really felt that having more of a technical knowledge will really help me to understand this whole environment in a better way.
Yeah, I like Lisbon, and I really wanted to get a little bit out from Spain. And yeah, I think Lisbon was the best option.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a bit like back in school. So in terms of you know everyone, you're a group, you socialize as well.
Like Oliver, I tried to teach myself a little bit on my own, but I was really coming from almost zero already before I came here, so it's been a very steep learning curve.
So I chose the Wagon because the program gave me so much more to understand what's happening behind all this thing I already knew before. Yeah, for me it's super nice because I'm learning even more than if I was alone doing this.
We are
Cocoon!
All right, everyone. Give me a quick show of hands. Who of you has ever had a bad rental experience, either as a landlord or as a tenant? That's quite a lot, actually. I feel you. My name is Oliver. I'm a marketing manager. I have a super busy day job, and on the side, I'm renting out 4 flats here in beautiful Lisbon. The past weeks have been a bit messy because all of my tenants, they are expats. There's a lot of rotation in my flats going on, and keeping track of everything that's going on in my property is just too much of a management task for me to just do it with Google Sheets or WhatsApp. Luckily, I found this really nice tool, Cocoon, that helps me managing my property in a slicker and more efficient way, but most importantly, have a better and more transparent communication and collaboration with my tenants. 2 days ago, I got a request from Mr. Shane Johnson from the UK to rent one of my property. I don't like manual tasks, so I immediately onboard him fully digitally when I invite him to his Cocoon, to his personal space in my property. When I click create the rental, Shane is invited, and automatically rental contract is generated in the backend.
Okay, so boom. Yeah, I was really pleased to look around the flat a couple of days ago, and Ollie seems really on top of his game as far as the rentals are concerned. And yeah, I'm really impressed that I can just join this platform, quickly log in with my details. Let's make my account. And I think I've got everything there waiting for me. He told me that I have my contract there. So let's maybe just sign in and see what's in there. Okay, so I'm going to accept my invitation to join the flat. And I see this is my personal space for this flat. So yeah, here's the contract. So let's take a look. Okay, so here it comes. Yeah, okay, so nice. Okay, I see it's got my correct details, the correct details of the day. Everything is good. I'm happy with that. So I've also got the essential information about the flat, the Wi-Fi code, and I didn't get the chance to meet my roommates yet. So I'm going to just check out who's already in this flat. Okay, I've got a bit of information. Some guy called Nick, Sharon, Zoe. Okay, they seem like nice people. And there was one little issue I had when I arrived at my flat. So I realized now that I can let Ollie know about any kind of problems that we have with this platform using our ticket system here. So we had a sticky lock. I tried to get in, and it was really difficult to get in. So I'm going to let Ollie know about this problem. And I think it's pretty urgent. So I'm going to raise the priority slider here to 10. And I'm going to tag everyone in the flat as well as Ollie so they get notified about it by SMS. So boom, we're going to create that ticket, and I think Ollie's going to get an SMS.
You don't see it, and I will not share my
Trust
screen,
us.
but there is a text message that says that a new ticket has been created in one of my flats. So I'm super curious, and I will immediately check. There are 3 tickets. The last one is from Shane. Since he's my latest tenant, I will immediately check it out. There's a problem with the lock. I realized that already, so we'll definitely fix that immediately. I just need Shane also to do his part of the rental agreement and pay the rent as well. Otherwise, I'm not getting started with doing my.
Touche. I think he's got a point there. So yeah, I noticed. Obviously, I agree to do that, take care of that, and I can see that I can pay right here on this app. So I go to my payment page. We go proceed to my payment account. Oh yes. This is pretty nice because I don't even have to go to my online bank to do the payment. We just go through 424242. Yeah, Shane. Yeah, okay.
What a nice
And
credit.
let's just pay that, and we're done. So, Ollie, please fix my lock.
Yeah, of course. But first, I need to check if you're really paid. So
Yeah,
I go and get. Okay, there's still some open rental payments, but Shane, yours is paid for December, so I'm going to fix my lock. Wrapping it up, Cocoon helps you as a landlord, both as a landlord and as a tenant, to have a more transparent way how you define and manage your relationships with each other. But especially for me as a landlord, it's also a very nice tool to stay ahead of what is going on fully digitally, and also to understand how my flats are utilized and how much more money actually I could make out of a flat, because only a flat that makes money is a good flat. Thank you.
All right, let's give it up for Cocoon. We have Oliver, Shane, Isolde, and Zoe. Please come to the stage. Cocoon. Congratulations, guys. And, well, yeah, girls. And ladies and women. No girls. Oh, photo. Can I say that one time I had a team set up Stripe and they told me it wasn't working and I put in my credit card details and it charged 10 euros. So they got me. All right, are we ready for the next team? The next team is Swipe Dev with Isabel, Inej, and Anna. I lied. It was a teaser for Swipe Dev. Get Local is the next team. Woo! With Mathieu, Eduardo, Paulo, and Pauline.
So my name is Mathieu. I'm from France, Paris.
My name is Pauline. I'm from France.
First, the weather. The weather is much better here. I can go to the beach during the weekend, something I couldn't do in Paris. I knew that it would be difficult at first because I've never been coding in my life. I'm so happy to be able to learn new things every day.
Working as a team is really important, I think, in coding, because I know that working on my own is nice when I know how to do things, but we're still learning lots and lots of stuff.
Communication is key, and I think it's good to be able to share our ideas, because sometimes you think that you have the best idea in mind, but once you talk to somebody and you realize that, okay, maybe I should do differently. People here are very, very friendly, I'd say. We are all struggling every day. We are all trying to understand what we've been doing, what we learned in the morning, so it's good to know that you are not alone.
The name of our project is
Get Local.
Hello, welcome. So nowadays we live in a society in which the impact of ourselves is very important on the environment, on the economy, on the world in general. So it is time for our society to get more local because we have a lot of food waste and food production is also generating a big carbon footprint. So Get Local is supposed to help you to find your fresh and local product around you. So how does that work? First, find a store. So the stores are guaranteed to be only local product only. So it is fresh. You can get a discount because the store can put some discounts on seasonal product, for example. And then you can make your order and pay online and then collect your items with a bike because it's important to stay eco-friendly, right? So now I'm gonna let Matthew and Paulo explain the user experience.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Mathieu. I'm French, but I've been living in Lisbon for a few months now. And I don't know about you guys, but I really love Portuguese products, especially the vegetables and the fruits that taste really good here. Better than France, if you ask me, by the way. The main problem here is that it's difficult to find these good products here. And I don't have a lot of time to look for that product online, and I cannot go like in the street and look for any store. So that's why I'm using Get Local. It's really, really helpful for me. And so let's say that I want to invite a few friends for dinner tomorrow. And I want to order some vegetables and some meats to cook something good. So let's say that I'm going to select a store in the vegetable selections. Yeah, okay. Let's take this one. So this one looks good, very local. I like the owner. Okay, let's take the pictures. Okay, they sell fruits and vegetables and even meat. That's good points. Okay, let's check the products that are currently available. I can see a bunch of fruits and vegetables here. Okay, they have a discount on eggplants, 50% off. That's good to know. Okay. But they only sell ham. Okay, maybe that's not what I need. Let's check the information. I'm kind of busy right now because I'm coding every day, and I'm only available during the weekend to go pick up my product. So this one is open on Saturday. That's a good point. Let's check now the location. Okay, I can see the location on the map, but it's a bit far, 2 kilometers away. I'm a bit lazy. I like to walk, but I want something very near. And last, let's check the reviews. Okay, we have a lot of reviews. No, they are not that good, actually. The last one says that it could be better. The vegetables are not always fresh. So maybe I should check another one. I could go to the homepage again and make a more specific search. So I want vegetables, and I'm living in Lisbon. So I'm going to search for Lisbon. Okay, so here on that page, you can see all the stores that... Thank you, guys. You can see all the stores that sell vegetables, local vegetables in Lisbon. But I want a store that is very like nearby. So I'm gonna click on the Find My Position button, and I'm going to geolocate me. Okay. Oh, so we are here at the moment. This one is pretty near. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. Oh, Puro, looks good. They sell vegetables and it's nearby. Let's click on it and let's check the details. Okay, let's check the pictures. Do they say, okay, the vegetables look good? Oh, and they have a homemade meal as well. Can be good, right? So let's check the products. Okay, they have carrots. I like carrots. 30% off. 30% off. That's good. Bacalhau. Okay, that's definitely local. Okay, Let's check the information. Is it open on Saturday? Yeah, it is. Perfect. Okay, and the location is perfect. I know that. And then, yeah, it's very near, like 200 meters from here. Perfect. And the reviews, what does it say? Wow, my good friend Joshua just left a review and it say, oh, it's very good. The food is always good, really friendly staff. Okay, perfect. I think I've, I think I'm ready to order now. So yeah.
Yeah, so I want to make a roast for my friends, and I will start my shopping. So I need some carrots, because I like carrots. I had some 4 carrots in my cart. So I'm gonna need tomatoes as well, 4 tomatoes, and I'm gonna need potatoes as well. So I'm gonna take some, maybe 6. Okay, then I need some meat as well. I'm gonna search the meat. I need some pork ribs. I'll take 4, and I'm good to go. So my shopping is done. I'll check out. I check my order summary, check everything, the get local discount, everything is in order. So I'll just pay. Yeah, I'll insert my email, my information, and actually, I spent a lot of money on a bootcamp recently. Does anyone have a credit card? So uh, I don't know if this is going to work. So yeah, but so yeah, it's Pauline's credit card actually. So we wait. They're checking on Pauline's. Yeah. Does it have money? Processing. So, okay, it's done. Okay. So, now that everything is ready, we purchased what we wanted. I really need the directions to go to the store. So I'll just get my directions, which will take me to Google Maps. And I'll ask for directions. As I spent 2 months in Wagon, so I'm at Wagon right now. And oh, it's really nearby, so I'll just walk. It's a 2-minute walk. Okay, so I'll go home. I'll go to the store, pick up my products, and I'll go home, cook them. And actually, they were really good products. So I'm gonna leave a review on this store, and I'll go on my orders, and I can write a review. So this store had really fresh, good and local products. And I'm gonna rate it in 5 stars. It was really good. And we created a review. Yeah.
So if you're done getting your avocados from across the globe, you can finally get local.
All right, let's give it up for Get Local. Emily has the certificates. Paulo, Matthew, Eduardo, and Pauline. Woo! Get Local. Congratulations, guys. Okay, we're officially halfway through. There are some seats in the middle for those of you that are straining your necks at the back. You're more than welcome to shuffle through. Yeah? Congrats. All right, so the team that we have all been waiting for since the team before is Swipe Dev. Give it up for Isabel, Inej, and Anna.
Hello, my name is Ines and I'm from Portugal. Hi, I'm Anna and I'm from Poland. Hello, my name is Isabel. I'm from Germany and I'm half Portuguese. If I had to describe Vago in one word, I would say amazing. I mean, it's just like, it's a life-changing experience. I never thought I could actually be able to code in such a short amount of time.
It's full of energy, amazing people and culture, and of course the weather.
I was looking for some boot camp, like an intense way that I could learn to code in 3 months. I read their coursework and looked at all of that, and it seemed really interesting. I'm the founder of a legal tech startup, and I realized that my tech skills were not that good, and I need to do something about it, so I chose to start this bootcamp. We all need each other to finish this project, because we are all doing different things, we all have different skills.
We haven't started yet, but I feel like mentally we are prepared to take on this project, since it's kind of what we've been preparing this week for.
The name of our project is
Swipe Dev.
Hello, Anna. How are you?
Hi, Anish. I'm actually quite frustrated about my current job situation
Okay.
because I've been searching for many offers and I really don't like that I need to search so much. They don't have salary details and they all have long job descriptions. Ines, you're a recruiter, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what I've been doing wrong?
Yeah, Anna. Well, actually, you're not doing anything wrong. You just don't have the right tools. So all the recruiters and developers nowadays are using this new app called Swipe Dev.
Wow! Oh, Ines, not another form to fill, please.
Oh, don't worry. If you log in with LinkedIn, you can actually get already some information from it, so you don't need to fill out those boring forms.
Wow, that's really cool. Oh, that was fast.
Yeah.
But Ines, I don't really like this photo. It's like bad energy. Can we change that?
Yeah, sure. If you just go and edit profile, you can change whatever you want. Okay, so now you can just start out filling any information you'd like to the recruiters to know.
Okay, so just write, hi, I'm Anna, and I'm senior front-end developer in Lisbon.
Okay, so what about your experience? What have you done so far?
Currently working in a startup, Get Local.
Oh, yeah. I've heard about them, yeah. Okay, and where did you study?
Of course, Le Wagon,
of course.
Lisbon.
Okay, so I think you're all done. You just need to adjust your filters so that only the jobs that you really want actually show up.
Okay, so as much as I love Lisbon, I would like to move to New York.
Okay.
What
about the skills?
I want to work with Ruby because I'm really good at Ruby.
Okay, yeah.
We can just skip seniority, job type.
Okay, all right.
Let's put contract type permanent because I have my debt to pay off.
Yeah, sure. What about the position?
Full stack because I want to grow because I'm front end now.
And any benefits you'd like?
Yeah, I have a dog at home called GitHubby, and I really would like to. And I would really like to take him to the office. So can we just check dog friendly? Yeah.
Sure, yeah. What about the salary? Like, what are you expecting?
Let's be realistic, like 2,000.
Okay, all right.
Ines, but you know what? I don't really know that Get Local knows that I'm here, so looking for a job. Can we do something about that?
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, you can just go on settings, and there you'll find an option to hide your profile from the current employer, so they'll never know. Okay, I think you're all done. You just need to go straight to swiping.
Okay, what we have here? No, I don't really like it. Can we swipe left? Not really. Left.
Oh, Microsoft.
Oh, yeah, we can give it a try.
Okay. What about this one?
Interchange of data between the server and the users. I don't even know what's that. Swipe left.
What about Instagram?
Too mainstream. Too mainstream.
And Google. They accept dogs. Your GitHub dog, no?
But they are looking for somebody part-time, and I want to work full-time.
Okay. Tesla, you don't want this one?
Yeah, definitely. Let's give it a try. Oh.
Nice, okay.
So this means that Elon likes me too, right?
Yeah, Elon likes you too. Yeah, nice. So do you want to go back to the swipes or do you want to chat? You can chat with the recruiter right now.
No, let's go back to swiping.
Okay. Okay, Twitter, do you want?
Yeah, we can give it a shot. Okay.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, I would like to chat with Twitter.
Okay.
Let's just write, hi, I'm very interested in your offer. Oh my God, they are fast.
Oh yeah, and they write pretty badly too, but they're really fast. They're really fast.
Okay, Nash, what if I want to see with whom I matched?
Yeah, you can go on all matches on the navbar, and you can see a history of everyone you matched with.
Oh, I'm pretty good, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Ines. I'm
You're
sure
welcome.
like with this tool, I'm gonna find my next dream job in a super fast and easy way.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Okay, give it up for Isabel, Inez, and Anna, everyone. This group has a lot of props. I feel like. Okay, smile. All right. The next group, for those of you that are wanting to get back into working out in the new year, this is your group. We have Rafael, Leo, Jacqueline, and Marta for Tino Gymwear.
I'm Marta, I'm from Lisbon. I was building like this whole like tech hub in Portugal. I was thinking like these guys think like really well. I really like the way that they look at problems, the way that they solve them. And they were all like, well, maybe you should try and do like a development course. So it's really intense because it really challenges you and you really feel like sometimes you're really good, sometimes you're really bad. But it's really rewarding, like when you actually do something. It's like, oh. Working on a team is quite hard because you have these different personalities that have different traits than you have. They're good at other things than you are. So like managing everything, managing the people, managing the work, managing expectations, it's quite something that I'm not very used to, so I would say that it's quite hard, but it's also, again, like quite rewarding because you are working and your project goes like 10 times faster. The group is really solid and we work very well as a team, so I am sure we'll have something good. The name of our final project is Tainu Gymwear.
Okay, it's working now. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a lovely evening seeing our demos. Before I start presenting Taino, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Marta, as you've seen in this little video. Oh, not that one. Not that one. I wish, believe me. All right, cool. So I'm Portuguese. I used to work in finance, and I used to work really long hours. And one of the things that really helped me keep my mental sanity was actually to go to the gym every day at the end of the day. And I really like gymming because it makes me feel really empowered, really strong. And one thing that really helps fueling that and making you want to go more, it's actually having clothes that match outside or you're feeling inside. I used to spend a lot of time surfing all these websites, and then I would have a lot of tabs open, and I would end up not buying anything because I would just be frustrated and exhausted of searching through so many websites, until I found this really cool website, which is called Taino. And basically what they do is they get all the best brands in the market, and they get all the products, and they basically present it to you in a very customized and very friendly way so that you can search through everything without having to leave one single space. Yeah, so...
Yeah, I'm sorry, Marta. I know our landing page is sexy and provocative, but guys, come on. Like, Nick, can you take your hands out of your pockets? I can see what you're doing. Like, it's disrespectful. Just keep it like that.
Hands up, guys. Yeah, so I've signed up to this website. I've done a couple of orders, and I would really like to show you because it's really, really cool. So one of the things that this website has that I really like is this questionnaire where I can filter out things that I like. So then when I go to all products, I only see the products that actually match my preferences. So in terms of colors, I usually go for either really black colors or bright opposites. In terms of styles, I usually like to show off shoulders and arms. Product types, I would say that I buy sports bras more than anything else, so let's just put that. And in terms of cut, I usually like a tight fit. So yeah, let's put that as well. So now, guys, as you can see, the main products that you now can see are actually bright sports bras that are showing shoulders and arms and have a very tight fit. And this is really cool, but right now I feel like these trousers are a bit, yeah, just not very comfortable. So I feel like buying a pair of leggings while I have you with me. So yeah, let's go for it. And I feel like I want to wear something bright for a change. So let's try it. Okay, so I really like those pink ones from the start. Can we open it? Oh, look at this grid. It didn't take 3 days to build whatsoever. Okay, I like it. Yeah, it's nice. Not as nice as the grid, but yes, let's add it to the cart. I'm still thinking about the green leggings that I just saw, so I might add them to the cart as well. Oh, wow, okay, sorry, it's lime. So now that I have both of these leggings, oh, I forgot about something. I've just become a developer, so I need some comfy trousers so I can stay on the sofa my whole day. So let's search for some black trousers to keep up with the style. Oh, nice. These look comfy. Let's go to these ones. Okay, so I'm not sure I'll have a job just yet, so I might add them to the wish list because I'm a bit broke right now. Oh, cool. Look at this crop top. I think I have enough money to spare for that one because it's really nice. So, yeah. Okay, cool. I like it. Can we add it to the cart? Okay, cool. So I think I'm ready to check out now. So can I go and just review my cart, see if everything's all right? Oh, nice. So I think that my lime leggings, my sister will like them a lot. So I might just add one more of those and some pink ones for my mom. Well, oh, that's 129 euros. Okay, maybe my mom can get her own. Yeah, just take it off. Okay, so I'm ready to check out now. So now I only have to put my address, that it's my house. So should be easy enough. It's because I'm 12 years old. The information seems all right. I think this is okay. Okay, nice. I can proceed to payment. Okay, guys, so please now close your eyes because we have very sensitive information there. Just kidding. And now it's curiosity time!
Did you know that algorithm behind constantly compares you with other users, and based on your purchases, you get unique recommendations?
No, Leo, I did not know that. Thank you so much.
Check it out.
Okay, nice. So now I can check my order, think everything's all right. And now if I go to all products again, you can actually see, if you scroll down a bit, you can actually see that the preferences have changed. So now they're reordered in another way than the one that we see first. So now I have my leggings, I have my crop top, I'm ready to go and hit the gym. I'm just gonna go get my crew and we're all gonna go to the gym together. And there we go.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, give it up for Taino Gymwear. All right. Raphael, Leo, Jacqueline, and Marta. Congratulations. Okay, next up, we have two more teams. Oh, sorry, photo. While they're taking a photo, I'll introduce the next team, which I don't know where they are. Oh, sorry. Wald. Sophia, please. We have WALD. Anyone can guess what WALD stands for? If you can, I will give you a... Actually, I don't want to say that. If you can guess, you will get a pat on the back. Sure. We are lazy developers. Can you give it up for Safir, Lucas, Pedro, and Joshua?
Hi, my name is Pedro. I'm from Portugal. Yeah, that's it. Sorry.
My name is Lucas and I'm from Brazil.
My name is Sapir, I'm from Israel.
My name is Joshua and I'm from London in England.
The way that the course is structured is super intense and I think they push us a lot. Before I was a sailing coach and a sailor, and now I'm kind of changing coding in the sea.
The Wagon is an impressive school because the guys here inspiring us to be better every day. We need to practice every day, and this is the reason I can recommend for everyone.
For me, the hardest part of being in this process was to make a decision on doing it, to quit my job, saving some money to be able to come and do it. After, it's just a matter of motivation and ambition and practice.
What makes my teammates so great? Their determination to get things done, their ability to easily understand the weird, complicated things we're working on, and for everyone to work together and make code that relates well and doesn't break, and have a really fun time while we do it. We are
lazy
developers.
Whoa!
it off and turn it like this. If you're not using it,
This isn't part of the presentation. I was hoping it was. Okay. Does anyone have rice? Doesn't that work? So we're going to pretend like you have a computer in front of you, Josh? Josh, okay.
I am a pissed off Ruby on Rails developer. And I'm pissed off because I've designed the schema of my app, which is the skeleton of how the data relates to each other. And now for each table, which is one of these blocks that you see, I've got to do the same repetitive task again and again and again. I just wish there was a computer program that could do all my work for me. Walled. We are lazy developers, and Walled lets you skip the boring bits of Ruby on Rails, and I'm going to tell you how it works. Briefly, you draw the schema, that's what we just saw. The schema makes a type of code, and we take this code, and we input it into our website. We show you what we've made, you can check it, and then you run your app. So I'll go into a little bit more detail so you understand what's going on. So the schema that you saw, it has a few different things going on inside. The first is that there are tables, and those are kind of big lumps of data that work together. So you have, for example, an artist table, an albums table, and a tracks table. And the tables all have columns, and that's like extra data connected to that. So an artist has a name, an album has a title, and tracks have a name and a composer. And you see they're related to each other too. So an artist makes albums, and an album, so an artist can have many albums, and albums have many tracks on them. So you're going to see in a moment that the schema that we had makes some code, and we take that code and we copy it, and it goes into our website. We show you the commands that we make to show that we've understood exactly what you want to do. And then your app is ready to run. So let's get a project going. So here is the code that you saw from that table. It makes it automatically. So we just copy this code. We go to Walled. We make a new project. Let's call it music. We paste the code in. And now it has understood the project. It takes a few minutes for the project to actually create because it's doing quite a bit of computation. So my teammate Sapir is going to start running the code, and then we're going to explain exactly what's going on this page. So if we scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see the commands. So this shows that Walled has understood what I am trying to make. For example, you can see in these commands some of the things that were in the tables before. There's the genre of music, there's the artist, there's the customer, there's albums, there's invoices, there's tracks. So I can tell as a developer and feel comfortable that Walled has understood my code. Walled really wants you to be lazy. So we also try to automate some of the most boring, repetitive steps that programmers can do. And I'm going to walk you through what they are. So one of them is create a GitHub repository. GitHub is a place where programmers store their computer code, and we build a repository for you. You can deploy it to Heroku, which means that you can have a website that actually exists on the internet immediately. We seed your models. So that's putting data into your software for you so that you don't have to, so when you make your app alive, you can actually see what's going on inside, and there's content there and it works. And if you want to have users, we do something called devise, which
allows you to have users that can log in and use your site automatically. And then we also scaffold your model. So that means that we can make your website actually work. The data connects with each other. You can click on links, and it's all kind of done for you. So another feature that I really like about Wall is that it lets me store lots of other projects. So here I have all the projects that I've used, and I can easily search, and it helps me find things that I like. So here, for example, I can find one of the competition. And all these schemas that you build, you kind of lose that code very easily. So we let you store your code, but looking at code, it's quite hard to understand what it is that you're trying to do visually. So with Wall, you can just visualize your schema, and and so you know how all your different tables are going to relate to each other. So here we can see that Wall has finished running, and there's a bit of information about the seeds down there. So we're just going to go into the directory that we made. So that's the folder that we made. And the first thing we're going to do is to show the non-Ruby on Rails developers exactly how much work Wall does for you. So this command that Sapir is typing in will let you see how many files have been created in this folder. And you can see that it's 18,301 files have been created. And if you're actually a Ruby on Rails developer yourself, you'll also understand how grossly exaggerated that figure is. So this is the code that we've built. So this is the music app. And we can see the schema. So this is the tables that are in your database. And you can see here that we've taken what you've done and we've made it come to life. So there's the albums table, and there's the artist table, there's customers, there's genres. So all the data is here. And we're now going to run the application. So this is, you can make your computer run a server, which is a little bit like looking at a website, but your computer is hosting it. And so we're going to go to this server, and Wald has built the application for you. And as we've seeded it already, there's actually data already in your application, so you can just click on artists. There's already users, so you can log in as 1@email.com, and the password is password always, so that there's always 10 users between 1 and 10. And just log in. And you can see the data is already present in the application, and you can do things like show, you can edit an application, edit artist, for example, change the name, and you get Pedro's picture for free. We also created your application on GitHub for you. So because we're using Carlos's machine, it's actually run on his machine. So if you go now to his repositories, you can see music has been created. And we didn't do the Heroku one because it takes about 10 minutes. But we actually built this just before we came on, and so if you want to go to this URL, you can use the app on your phone immediately and just see what we've built with Wald. And that's Wald. That's Wald.
They have officially put us out of business. Who needs a boot camp when you have Wald, right? Right? Just learn some schema. Okay, let's give it up for Wald, Sapir, Lucas, Pedro, and Joshua. All right, Fetish. I'm calling a team. Fetish, can you come to this stage? Are you here, Fetish? Always. All right, guys. Next and last, but definitely not least entertaining, we have Fetish. We have Etienne, Luana, and Martin. Okay, give it up for Fetish.
I'm Martin and I'm from Germany.
My name is Etienne and I'm from France, south of France.
So hello, my name is Luana, I am from Brazil. We still have Levagon in my city too in Brazil, but man, Lisbon, I really like the food, the city.
My experience with the wagon, like yeah, intense. It's pretty it's intense. You have to be like focused for a while.
So Levagon for me, it's just no words to describe. Sorry, you need to come and try it because it's totally different. Levagon. My mind's like crazy.
I started in doing some tech jobs before and I want to be able to do it on my own. So little empowerment, learning how to cook to be my own chef. Really happy.
Yeah, it's pretty cool thing.
I wake up every day and I'm happy because I work with these guys.
Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that will be. We are
Fetish.
Whoa, so it's fucking hot here. You don't think?
It's really hot.
Yes. Oh man. So I think you are the last one, right? Just more 5 minutes and everyone can go home. Okay,
I
guys.
think so, yeah.
Yeah. We are right. Talk about.
We saw sportswear,
Yeah.
tenant management,
Get local.
food.
The develop with program
Yeah,
opportunity
jobs.
Yeah. Nice.
What is missing?
What do you think so?
I don't
Yeah.
know. Tell me.
Okay, guys. Let's talk about sex. Oh, so it's almost Christmas and I need to buy something to my boyfriend. But this year I just want to buy something really different, something unique and special. So I was just talking with Martin and asking, Martin, do you recommend something to me, a place that I can find something different? And well, Martin has this idea. Okay, let's try Fetish website. I think they have like experience that can be really amazing. Okay, so just log on. Okay, this is the website, making sex great again. I hope so. So let's just see that. Not complain, not complain. Oh, nice. I can see here the website. They have a lot of content about sex. Wow, nice. Hot and trend, some popular. Oh, and video wells. Whoa, I really like this one. And now it's not for beginning, so no, not for now. Let's try anything else. Let's go in. Experience. This is really what I want to do. But just search sex, okay? This is nice. Just go, let's see, more content, more videos, nice. Okay, just go up, let's search for something else, maybe. Okay, cool, let's go. Nice, yeah, you can see. So let's just search for something more specific, like, I don't know, what do you think?
What do you want to search?
Pleasure? Why not? Okay, let's try. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. So I can see here that they have articles about the pressure and they have experience. So, oh, Carnival, this looks nice. But first, let's just open an article. What do you think?
Which one do you like?
I want sex. This looks nice.
Of course, of course.
I know. Oh, cool. I can see the article, a lot of information. This looks really nice. Oh, more. I can add a review. Okay, but I don't have time to read now, so just save for later, please. Oh, cool. And I can share with my friends. Okay, this is nice to have. But
Do you
maybe.
want to check out a category, perhaps?
Yeah, why not?
What are you interested in?
Wow.
Well.
You can. Why not? Yeah, 18 pussy. I like this. Searching this one.
Just following your.
Well, so everyone that
your-
wanted, you can access the website after, okay, and you can search and learn because knowledge is power. So do it. Okay, going down. Okay, this is really nice, man. But okay, just folks, Martin, I need to buy the
Sorry.
gift. Okay, sorry, but so just go to experience. I need to. Oh no, maybe search for something to my boyfriend, not toys. No, massage. Massage. I think massage is good.
A special one like tantra.
Trunta looks nice. Why not? Let's try this one. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, they have 2 massages. Oh, yeah, let's try this first one, the Trunta massage training. Where is this? Okay, Odivella. Yeah, okay.
You want to check out the other experiences just to see what's there?
Yes, why not? Let's try. What they have more in this one? Okay. Oh, Bye Boy Gorgie Party. I like this one. You can open.
Let's check it out.
Oh, it's today. Nice. Let's just search it. Oh, it's amazing. And
Time
it's
to say
organized by
bye-bye.
Wagon Lisbon. Wow, man. This is really fucking nice, man. But I think some.
Do you want to check out?
Naked karaoke. I can imagine Nick, you like this one, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think Nico also likes this one, right?
Yeah, why not? Let's try this.
Let's
Oh no,
just
Martin,
spread it
no,
out.
no.
It's too German.
No, Martin, no. No. No, orgy, ping pong naked. Oh, Pedro, you can imagine Pedro play something like that. I know. Yeah, no, but like no, something easy, like a massage, please. No, sex animal, no. Oh, yeah, only pleasure message. Why not? Yeah, I think it's a good gift to my boyfriend. I think
Which
he'd
one?
like.
This
yeah,
one?
the message. Yeah, I think it's nice. It'll be in January. Okay, nice. Let me
It's okay.
see.
Price,
Okay,
duration.
the price it's a little expensive, but I have money, no problem.
Sanskrit word sounds legit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to book it?
Yeah, let's go. Okay,
Wanna
you
pay
can
it
buy.
too?
We can use your parent credit card, right, Martin? Oh, okay, nice. Let's do it. So this is the time that you need to wait some seconds, and it's really boring. And I can talk a joke, for example. Once, like a Brazilian, a German, and a French guy went to a bar, something like that. But you can just state. And if you cannot use this credit card, you can try the Levagon credit card. Okay, that's not problem. Then you pay for the dinner later. So why not? Okay, try this one. Oh man, you really like this one.
They never check the bill, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's just a massage, Martin. Come on, man. Not judge me.
From a site called fetish.club, yeah.
Why not? I know it's not the first time that you buy something here, okay? You know.
Guilty as charged.
Yeah. Okay, that's approved. Yeah, nice. So let's see my orders. What I can have. Oh, nice. Let me see the event. Okay, I can see my order. And can you just find the event that I like it first early?
The articles?
Yeah, the article. I think
it's
put
this one, right?
Yes. Oh, nice. It's here. Okay, I can see my profile.
So one in communication. Perhaps you want to like another one?
Yeah, why not?
Which one do you like?
Oh man,
Which-
come on. Be creative.
I don't know.
You can choose.
First time sex.
That's okay, Martin. That's okay. We support you, okay? Yeah, like. Not yet. Okay, so now I can see more my taste profile that I like this one. Yes, we love it. Okay, maybe we can just explore more the website. Just try this publish stuff there. What
yeah.
is that? The publish? Yeah.
I think you can add an article if you're
Oh,
creative.
nice. Wow, I have some knowledge. I think I can share with everyone. No. Yeah, maybe later we have time we can write. Oh,
Share about first time sex with me.
yeah.
Let's check out the homepage.
Yeah, I think it's a better idea. Okay, so we have some content here. The web. Well, I think you are alright. You have time to read this later, okay? Oh man, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ.
These are real articles. We
You
didn't
can
make
see
them
that
up.
developers don't have sex at home, so they have this problem. Okay, I know.
So
Yeah. Okay. Maybe, I think it's enough for today. It's really hot. I think we need to celebrate this. What happens if you just click on finish the bootcamp?
you really want to finish the bootcamp?
Wow, what to think about, guys? Let's finish! Let's
Let's do
finish!
it.
Woo! Finish!
I'm kind of at a loss for words. Emily, we forgot we have to give them the certificates. It's my first time seeing this as well, okay? Give it up for Etienne, Luana, and Martin. Okay, guys, that was the last group. We're almost done here. We have a few more words. I'm going to give the mic over to Emily. Yeah, we don't really know what to say right now. Emily.
Lucky it's not behind me still. No, guys, I hate speaking in front of people. I know I shouted at you a lot through the 9 weeks for live code and everything, but it has been an absolute pleasure. It's kind of, sorry. Oy. It's been bittersweet, right, guys? We've kind of gone through these 10 weeks together. It's been intense. Am I going to set you free into the world of coding? But I'm also going to miss you guys. Like every 4 times a year, it happens. I feel like I get to know people. Hugo. But no, honestly, it's been a pleasure. You've made every day really fun. I know it's been ups and downs, but I think throughout it all, you guys have thrown yourselves into this. And I'm just really proud of what you've achieved. So, yeah. So that's really it, because I know you want to go drink, and we've got dinner reservations in an hour. So,
Sit tight.
Okay, wait, not yet.
Not yet. Just really quick, let me.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Emily is our bootcamp manager, by the way. Yeah. Emily. She's also very popular. I kind of lost my train of thought with that last group. I really don't know. I feel like I'm supposed to say something right now, but I can't think. If you go back and look at all of our demo day videos on YouTube, there will be a reference to Ugo saying like, Ugo, stop. Like all of them, 13 or 4, whatever, how many. Okay, to batch 312, I just want to say thank you for trusting in the process, for trusting in us, even in the hardest of times. And yeah, for like ending this together with good attitudes and obviously a fun group, right? An interesting group at least. Yeah, and some incredible projects. So thank you. And I know, and I said this before, like your journey is just really beginning. Le Wagon's kind of like the diving board into tech for you. And many of you feel like you're not ready. I mean, Emily and I have already had conversations with a few of you where you still feel like, oh, I'm just going to study a little bit more and I'm going to, do some more, classes or online classes. And I'm just not there yet. So just to give a backstory here, and this is a little bit off the cuff, I mentor at my old university and they have computer science students. And I was mentoring a almost graduate computer science student who's been studying computer science for 4 years. And she told me, I don't think I'm ready to get a job. I think I need to study a little bit more. And this is all to say this is a common story that we've seen in 4 years, and you are ready, okay? Stay uncomfortable is all I want to say to you. The growth that you've seen in 9 weeks is because you have been so uncomfortable. And if you can maintain that, you're going to continue to grow at this pace. So keep uncomfortable. You are ready. Put yourself there. Be prepared to fail, but be prepared to, go through ups and downs and start applying, start launching, start developing. Whatever it is you want to do, start. Don't get in the learning trap. That's what I want to say. It is hot in here. Where's that communal deodorant upstairs? Is it out? I sometimes forget this is recorded for all of eternity on YouTube. Okay. This next part I didn't prepare because I couldn't find any words. So we launched Le Wagon 3 years ago, or 3.5 or 4, I don't know, with Carlos and I had the bright idea of bringing a boot camp from Paris to Lisbon. And I was the non-technical, still. I was, and I am not anymore. I know schema. No, so was the non-technical co-founder, founder, whatever, and Carlos was the technical founder, and he was going to be the teacher, and he was going to run workshops, and I was going to start the workshops. But it got a little bit too much work in the beginning. We were doing this as a side hustle, and I needed to find another teacher, but we didn't have money. And so I went to a dev meetup feeling like a super imposter, like not really understanding what it was we were going to teach, because I myself hadn't done the boot camp yet. And I came across Andrei Costa. And someone said, I think it's not. Maybe. And I came across Andrei Costa, and someone said, I think this guy Andrei, he was saying he wants to teach or something. I don't know. He's self-taught. He's cool. And so I found Andrei, and he was like, yeah, I'll teach. I said, can you teach for free? Sure. And so Andrei started working for us for the first 3 months to help us promote Wagon Lisbon, which at the time most people said it wasn't going to work, which we can see it's working. And he said, and he started doing workshops for us for free. And I don't think I've ever done anything for free. So that alone was like, it was so touching. And then to work with Andrei over the last 3.5 years has been such an inspiration. And I'm not just saying this. You can talk to anyone in the room that's been with Andrei for the last 3.5 years. They only have amazing things to say about him, because this is a guy that has the attitude. I mean, he has an out-of-this-world attitude. We've seen him grow as a teacher. I've seen him grow in his own career as a developer. He is self-taught. What's your background, Andrei? Sorry to put you on the spot. Architecture. What? And he's self-taught in programming. He started in the startup he is now as a junior developer, and now he is the CTO of a scaling startup, and has been for a while. And we're so lucky that we have been able to work with him for the last 3 years, while he's also like acting as a badass CTO and traveling to London and all over the world and managing a team. But the time has come where he is maxed out and he has to say goodbye. So he is retiring from Wagon. And I know, for now, Carlos has other plans. But anyway, this wouldn't, it wouldn't have been, I don't want to say possible, but it wouldn't have been as fun, and it wouldn't have been as meaningful without people like Andrei to join us. So Andrei, can you come to the front? And this is a big thank you to Andrei. So thank you. Our longest running teacher. Now, can you help me thank the other teachers?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So you can read the names.
Okay. So Carlos. André Pires. He's not here. João Sanches. Not here. Rodrigo. Gabriel. Manel. Patrick. João Viana. Hugo. Oh, come on. Francisco. Mariana. Alexandre. Ricardo. Diogo. Nuno. Pedro. Sean. Rita. João.
So, and Emily! And Monica! Okay, and Monica and Emily. So these guys make the boot camp possible. We want to give a big round of applause to our teachers. A big round of applause to batch 312. Woo! And yeah, the part. Oh, and this place is gonna close at 9:15, just so you guys know. No, we're not doing no.
So, for those who this is your first time coming to a demo day, which I imagine it's most of you, otherwise you have quite a boring life to come to demo days recurringly. So, one thing that always happens is I have to take the microphone from Shannon because Shannon can't really recognize the value that she's promoting and the value that she contributes to demo day. And she mentions all of us except herself. So can we please have a huge, huge round of applause for Shannon?
That was rehearsed. Thank you. Okay, so it's a party now, right? Woo! Thank you everyone for coming. And we love you, Andre. We're sad to see you go. Cue the music. There's no music. Okay, everyone go.